Hey, Zoe. Got any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking about just relaxing, but I'm open to ideas. What about you?
I was thinking we could check out that new art exhibit downtown. I heard it's really cool.
That sounds fun. I love art. Do you know what the theme is?
It's all about modern artists and their take on nature. Should be pretty interesting.
I'm in. After that, we could grab lunch at that cute cafe we love.
Yes. I've been craving their avocado toast. It's the best.
Totally. And we can catch up on everything. It feels like forever since we had a good chat.
Right? We need to make this a regular thing again.
Definitely. Let's plan for Saturday then.
Perfect. I'll check the exhibit times and send you a text.
Sounds good. Can't wait. Bye-bye, Erica.
Bye-bye, Whitney.